We are converting this house into a duplex house by adding a spiral staircase here and constructing a master bedroom in the above floor. Not just that, we are demolishing this wall and extending this small kitchen and designing a functional modular kitchen. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Inkstone Infra. In this video, I am going to take you through this house remodeling project that is located in Kumaraswamy layout, Bangalore. This is a G+1 individual house with frame structure. That means it has columns and beams. On the first floor, there is a 3-bedroom house which we are remodeling with the following scope of works. We are converting this house into a duplex house by demolishing the slab here to accommodate the spiral staircase. The reason behind the spiral staircase placement is it does not take much space and clutter the existing space. We are constructing a master bedroom with attached bathroom on the second floor, which gets connected to the first floor through a spiral staircase and make it a duplex house. Coming to the other structural remodeling in the first floor. We are extending this small kitchen by demolishing this wall here and taking kitchen forward. Please take a look at the proposed design. We are remodeling one of the bedroom into the living area. Here is the proposed design. In the bedroom here, we are demolishing this bathroom and making the bedroom bigger. Interior renovation in the bedroom involves demolition of old wardrobes and creating a new customized wardrobes. The interior design includes functional modular kitchen and crockery unit, contemporary TV unit and designer partitions, false ceiling, customized wardrobes, and upgraded puja unit, etc. So, this is a brief about this house remodeling project. For old home renovation, structural renovation, and interior design in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation and architectural construction, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.